Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading. Today I am going to show you a software which is available at free of cost on the internet. You can use the software to practice and track your stocks on regular basis. Well, the name of the software is ChartNexus. You can just go and Google chartnexus.com. You'll come to the home page. Once you come here, just sign up. You can see the step 2, it's sign up. You need to give your details here like login name, password, confirm password, select primary data. Let's go ahead and do it. You can update your login name, password, confirm password, and go ahead and select India, BSE and NSE. Next, you can give your personal information here, which is mandatory. Then you can update your name, contact number, gender, age, approach belief, occupation, country of resident and state. After this, you can update optional information as well. Go ahead and check this box to agree the terms. Then you can just copy the digits and update here. Then click on next. Step 3 is to activate your account. You can just go and check out your mail. You must have received a mail from ChartNexus. Just go ahead and click on the link. You can see here it's written to activate your membership. Please click on the link while your account has been activated. Now please proceed to download and install ChartNexus. You can click on the download here. Here the first step is to update your Java. You can just download this. You can download Java from this website. Agree and start free download. You can just go ahead and run this exe file. Click on install and it's done. Click on next. It's done now. Now let's come back to this page. After installing Java, just click on next button. I can see here you have the option of downloading ChartNexus for Windows as well as Mac. Click on this icon and you can see ChartNexus exe file here. Open it. Well, this is what the software is I'm talking about. This is the application I'm talking about. Well, this is the software I'm talking about. Actually, I have already logged in here. Once you come to this page, you can go ahead to user login, update your username and password and click on OK. Go to system setting, go to data and select BSE and NSE here and click on apply. After you click on apply, the software will start downloading the data. It will look something like this. Just wait for this. Server data and your data almost has to be of the same date. Remember one thing, you can't track live charts here. This is just end of the day data. You can track here daily, weekly and monthly charts. You can see here the data has been updated. You can see the server data is of 6th October and your data, it says of 6th October. Data status is latest for both BSE and NSE. If you see today's date, it is 7th October and the server data is of 6th October. Let me tell you, every day after 7:30 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, the data gets updated. Now let's go and check out how to use this software. Now for example, if I have to track a stock, I'll have to give the name here. Let me track Nifty. So you can see here Nifty 50, right? Just double click on this and you can see this is how the charts look. As I said you before, the data is available for almost 3 years. You can just check out. You can see the date here. It's almost from 3/1/2017, right? And if you see the current date, it's showing somewhere around 6 October. Just type the name of the stock here. For example, ACC. I want to check ACC Limited. You can see here ACC Limited. It's in NSE. I'll just click here. I can see NSE data. This is a NSE chart. Let me show you how to open the charts. You can just go here and click on this find option. You can click the stock's name. Let's assume ACC Limited here. Just double click on this. And you can see the charts are opening. Let's go and track some other stock. For example, let me check Infosys Limited. This is the Infosys chart. The same way, if you want to check some other stocks, just type the name here and double click on it and the charts will be opened. As I was telling you before, here we can see daily charts, weekly charts and monthly charts. Let's go and check out. See here, you can see the option here. Click on this drop down. You can see daily chart. Currently Infosys is in daily chart. It's a daily view. Let me go to weekly chart. You can see this is weekly chart. And if you want monthly chart, just click on this monthly chart. You can see this monthly charts here. You can just go and explore this you can go to drawing tools or charting option. Here in charting option you can see watch list, indicators and workspace. These are the three things what I regularly use. I'll tell you how to create your own watch list and what all indicators you have and what is the use of workspace. For example, if you want to track Nifty 50 stocks and you want to create a watch list for that, what you need to do? Just click on this watch list. You can see here these are the recently viewed stocks. Now, if I want to create a Nifty 50 stocks list, I'll just click on this option first, click on new watch list and give the name. It's Nifty 50. Now you can see your Nifty 50 here, but under Nifty 50 you cannot see any stocks. Until unless you don't add here, you will not be seeing any stocks. Now let me show you how to add the stocks. First let me go to NSE website, go to nseindia.com, go to market data and click on indices. Here you can see different indices like Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty 100 and there are many more. You can just scroll down and see what all indices you have. You also have the option of sectoral indices, strategy indices and so on. Now let me see what all stocks are there in Nifty 50. Just click on Nifty 50 here. Once you click on Nifty 50 you can see the stocks. These are the stocks in Nifty 50. You can just see here Nifty 50. Just select here again. These are the stocks which are under Nifty 50. Now let me arrange it in ascending order. Yes, based on alphabets I have done that. Now let's add few stocks to the watch list. The first one is Adani Ports, the second one is Asian Paints, the third one is Axis Bank. Let me open the stocks now in Chart Nexus. The first one was Adani Ports. This is the one. I'll just click on this. So Adani Ports chart is open. The next one is Asian Paints and Axis Bank. Asian Paints. This is the Asian Paints chart. Let me open Axis Bank chart. This is the Axis Bank chart. If you go to recently viewed option, you can see the charts what I opened now, that is ACC Limited, Adani Ports and Asian Paints and Axis Bank. Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bharti Airtel. Next you can go to BPCL. I'll add these many stocks to Nifty 50 watch list. Now here go to recently viewed list. You can see all the stocks what we have just opened. So select all this, right click and add to watch list. You can click on Nifty 50 and just remove all these stocks from the watch list now. I can see all the stocks are added in Nifty 50 watch list. In the same way you can add all 50 stocks in Nifty 50 watch list so that it will be easy to track. I have a watch list of FNO stocks, future and options. You can see all the stocks I have added here. Now I need not go again and again, type the name here and open the charts. I'll just go to the name. I'll just click on the name of the stock, whichever I need, and I'll analyze it. In the same way, I have also created a list for indices. This watch list is for indices. You can see here I have everything. Tracking sectoral indices is very important. I'll be talking about the sectoral indices in the coming videos. Now, let's assume I'm tracking a stock in Nifty 50 watch list. Let's assume I take Bajaj Auto for example and I draw some resistance and support here. What is resistance and what is support? Even that I'll be creating videos on that. Let's assume I have drawn some lines. It's horizontal line. I'm creating some supports here and resistance. Once I click here, this close, right? You can save this chart into workspace. Just click on yes, Bajaj Auto Limited. Okay. Now, in case you want to see what stocks you have saved, just go back to charting, go to workspace. I have already some list. Now, if you see, I just added one stock that was Bajaj Auto Limited, and you can see the date. It's 7th October. Just click on the stock. You can see what analysis you have done and what you have saved here. This is the way you create the watch list and add the stocks here so that it will be easy to track it. You can just try downloading the software, create the watch list and add the stocks here. Try to reach every corner of this website so that you understand how it works. It's quite easy, it's not so difficult. You also have an option of seeing this stock in a single window or tile in 2 rows, tile in 2 columns. I use tile in 2 columns whenever I have to analyze a stock with respect to sectoral index. For example, let me change this to Tata Steel and this to Nifty Metal. This is how we can do. I usually analyze like this, then decide which positions to take and which positions to close. In case you have any doubts regarding the chart nexus, you can just leave the comment. I'll get back to you. And if you guys have liked the video, subscribe it, hit the bell icon, and please click on like as well. Thank you for your valuable time. See you in the next video.